You're listening to the International Moving Podcast, your guide to moving to another country, brought to you by SDC International Shipping, LA's finest. An international move is exciting. It's a time to start over, establish a new business maybe, reestablish family ties, or retire where your budget will do more for you. Please enjoy today's episode, and if you have any questions about your international move, give us a call at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.
Welcome back to the podcast. If you're relocating for work, the move itself is only part of the challenge. The real pressure comes from trying to coordinate your job, your home, your documents, and your shipment all at the same time. Most professionals do not need more moving tips. They need a clear order of operation. When professionals plan an international move, the stress usually does not come from one big mistake. It comes from 10 small decisions all happening at one time. You may be accepting a new role, preparing your family, handling housing, reviewing visa timing, and trying to decide what actually needs to ship now versus later. That is where structured moving plan matters. The first step is deciding what is going with you. Not everything belongs in an international shipment. For many professionals, the right shipment includes the household goods they use regularly, key furniture, work-related items, and selected higher value pieces that would be costly or inconvenient to replace. The second step is choosing the shipping method. Smaller or time-sensitive moves may lean toward air freight. Larger household moves often make more sense by sea. The right answer depends on shipment size, timing, and how quickly you need access to your items. SDC's content guidance specifically recommends helping customers compare options simply, rather than pushing one solution for everyone. The third step is documentation. This is where professional moves often succeed or stall. Custom paperwork, resident documentation, inventories, and destination requirements all need to be aligned before the shipment is too far along. The fourth step is packing and protection. Professional packing is not just about convenience. It reduces risk, improves documentation accuracy, and helps high-value or fragile items move more securely. The final step is coordination. A successful international move is not just pickup and delivery. It's explaining the sequence, so your shipment supports your relocation instead of complicating it. Imagine a finance executive moving from Boston to London. She's starting her role in 3 weeks. Her family is arriving later, and she needs some essentials quickly while the larger shipment follows. A split plan may make more sense than trying to force every item into one timeline. Professionals do best when they treat an international move like a project with milestones, not a last-minute household task. If you're planning an international move for work, give us a call 877-339-0267 or visit our website to build a moving plan that fits your timeline.
We hope you enjoyed today's episode. Thanks for listening. Whether you're relocating within the country or moving to the other side of the world, we're here to help from start to finish. Connect with us today at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.